Hello everyone. In this tutorial, how to install Corona Render 10. Go to the website. First you have to download the Corona Renderer 10. You can download it from here. Download link in the description. I already downloaded Corona Renderer. Open the folder. Run the application. Both should be tick and next. And install it. Corona Render will be installed quickly. And Corona Image Editor icon will be appear on desktop. Now you can see it just downloading the Corona material library. It's 5.2 GB. This will take a time to downloading. Corona Render installation is done. You can cancel the downloading if you want. It will not be an issue. Open the 3ds Max. Go to the settings. In Renderer select Corona. You can see the Corona 10. It's successfully installed. You can check it's working. Corona Renderer 10 is working. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.